Welcome to Yoga Strong. I'm Jackie Tarleton, co-founder of Plant Chics, and today we've got an incredible yoga practice for you. Ladies, you'll need 3 to 5 pound weights. I used 5, and gentlemen, 10 to 15 pounds. Let's go. Standing at the top of the mat, inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Really get a good stretch in there. Taking a couple deep breaths in and out. And on your next exhale, you're going to step or jump your feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Nice and relaxing, warming that body up. On your next exhale, you're going to step or jump your feet back to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. And exhale, Tadasana. Excellent. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step the feet back. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up to the sky. Exhale, bring it in, and now bring it up. You're going to stand in a high lunge position. Arms come up and you're grabbing those weights. And then you're going to lower down. You're going to be doing shoulder presses. So you're going to lunge down and push up. Ready? Here we go. 10 times. It's 10. Exhale, up. Bend, press up. Good. Down and up. You got it. Halfway there for 5 more. Excellent. 3, 2, and 1. And then now we're going to take it down and do little pulses. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh, we're going to do a couple more. There we go. Bring those weights back. Step the right foot back. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time, left leg comes up to the sky. Bring the knee to the nose. Step it through to a high lunge. Grab those weights. This time, we're going to do bicep curls. So we're taking it down and up, down. Here we go. 4, 10. And really think about keeping the weight in your front left heel and squeezing those glutes. We're halfway there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and little pulses go. Oh, yes. 3, 4, 5. Yes, girl. Good. Go ahead and put those weights down. Step the left foot back, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And breathe it out. Nice and relaxed. Catching the breath. Next exhale, step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Here we go. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now this time you're going to lift the right leg, bring it forward, and you're going to step it into a warrior 1. Hold it here for 2 breaths. On your exhale, open up warrior 2. Good. Now grab those weights. And you're going to bring it up to a lateral raise and down. Ready? Here we go. It's 10 and down. Lateral raise and up. Lateral raise stand it up. So it's a dynamic warrior. We're about halfway there. I think this is 5 more. Exhale. Exhale. 2 more. Last one. And we're going to hold this one here for 5 breaths. Hold. This is tough. But I have faith in you. You can do it. A couple more breaths here. Oh yeah, feel that burn. Good. Go ahead and put those weights down. Step that leg back, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes. Left leg lifts up, step it through. Warrior 1, inhale, hold it here. Exhale, open up, warrior 2. Hold it here. Now grab those weights. And now we're going to do some tricep kickbacks. So you're going to press your arms back and up. Tricep kickback and up. Here we go. It's 10, 9. So you're really working the triceps and those biceps and your quads and your glutes. I think this is 5. Exhale. Yes. 2. Last one, and little pulses. Get it. Squeeze those triceps. Couple more here. Yes. Put those weights down. Step the left leg back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold it here for a second. On your next exhale, you're going to step or jump your feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And from here, you're going to jump it through to a sitting position or just come to a seated position. From here, we're going to do a reverse plank. Hands come behind your body. Put the weight in your heels and you're going to press up. You're holding this for 5 breaths. Think about squeezing your glutes, squeezing your core. You should feel a really good stretch in the back of your shoulders. Go ahead and release that stretch. Inhale, arms come up, and exhale, fold forward. Seated, forward, fold. And you just bend as far forward as your body allows. Listen to your body, breathing into the stretch. And every time you exhale, think about relaxing more. Good. Go ahead and set it up. And let's go ahead and go through a vinyasa. This is how it looks. So you can jump those legs through, and then you can jump it through to a seated position, or just straight up sit back. We are going to move into abs, but here's that vinyasa. So you jump your feet back, lower down, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog, and then you exhale, jump it through to a seated position. Grab behind those knees, lower down. Let's do some sit-ups, some crunches. So you exhale as you lift your shoulders off the mat. Exhale, exhale. Good. We're doing 2 sets of 8. I think we're about halfway there. Exhale as you raise up. Squeeze the core. Think about pressing your lower back down in towards the mat. You got this. And lift those legs up. We're going to do 16 crunches here with those legs up in the air. Good. 12 more. Exhale as you lift up. Exhale. Exhale. If you want to, you can actually do some toe touches, trying to touch the hands to the feet or the toes. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to lift those glutes up off the mat. So the arms can go down next to you on the mat or underneath your glutes if this hurts your lower back. Here's 8 more. Exhale as you lift up. Exhale. It's good for that lower abdominal area. I think it's 4 more here. Lift, lift, lift. 1 more. And let's go ahead and bring the heels down to the ground. We're going to raise the shoulders up off the mat, and you're going to do alternating heel taps. So you go right, left. Bring your right hand to your right heel, left hand to your left heel. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You got this. We're doing 2 sets of 8. Exhale, exhale, breathe, breathe. And bicycles. This is our last set, guys. Here we go. Crunching the opposite shoulder or opposite elbow to the opposite knee. We're doing about 8 more here. It's 8, 7. Exhale. You got it. 4, 3. Exhale. Exhale. Yes. Good. And go ahead and relax. Now let's go ahead and drop your knees over to one side of the body. Bring them up to the center and over to the other. You're just rocking side to side. And let's go ahead and bring those knees over to the right. Hold them here. Getting a good stretch in your lower back, in your glutes. Excellent. And let's bring the knees up to the center. Other side, knees drive over to the left, head to the right. You can extend that leg on top if you need a little bit more of a stretch. You did a great job today. Super, super proud of you. Bring your knees in towards your chest. Rock it back and forth. Roll it up to a seated position. Oh no, not yet. We're going to take it into a figure 4. This is a really good glute stretch. And you want to make sure that right ankle is crossed over your left knee and keep that right foot flexed to help protect that right knee. This is a great stretch for your glutes. Breathing, good. Let's go ahead, release, uncross, and let's switch sides. Left leg crosses over your right. Again, that left foot is flexed. Grab behind the right knee, pull it into your chest. Now, we ask that you take a sweaty selfie after you're done with this workout. Make sure you tag us, tag the Plant Chics, hashtag Fiber Fueled. Share your successes. You guys are doing such an amazing job on this challenge. We are so incredibly proud of you, and we cannot wait to see you on social. Go ahead and rock it up to a sitting position or standing. All the way up. We're going to stretch out the arms a little bit more here. Inhale. Let's go ahead and bring the opposite shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, other side. Really good stretch here. Good. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, bring them out. Cross the right arm over and get a really good shoulder stretch. Couple more breaths. Good. Open and switch sides. The left arm. Really get a good stretch on that left shoulder. Good. Inhale, open up the arms. Tap the right hand to the right shoulder, and with the left hand, you're going to pull that right elbow in towards your ear. And let's switch sides. This time, left elbow comes in towards the left ear. Really good tricep stretch. All right, y'all did a wonderful, wonderful job. Make sure you tag us with your sweaty selfie. Kudos.